Thank you for purchasing the PowerPipe. Keep in mind, the PowerPipe has been pressure tested to over 160 psi to ensure there are no leaks. It's maintenance free and it comes with a 10-year warranty. Before ordering, you'll have located a vertical section of drain pipe that is fed by your shower, and you have measured the smooth vertical length and determined the nominal diameter. Measure at least 1.5 inches above the bottom of the plastic drain pipe that you identified prior to ordering your PowerPipe. This will be the bottom cut. In homes built since 1980, it's usually 3 inches diameter, but a great guideline for drain pipes is the nominal diameter is usually about 1/2 inch smaller than the outer diameter. PowerPipe installation usually takes 1 to 2 hours. Please unpack the box and locate the installation instructions for more details. To begin the installation, turn off the main water supply to your home. It's a good idea to flush all your toilets once the water is off to avoid any accidental flushing. For this installation, you will need the following supplies: your PowerPipe, 2 supply drain connectors, pair of disposable plastic gloves, utility knife, hacksaw, flat file, nut driver or socket set, PEX tubing, most likely 3/4 inch, and shark bite or other type of compression fittings for cold water plumbing. Remember, it is imperative that the PowerPipe be installed vertical to ensure maximum efficiency. Measure at least 1.5 inches above the bottom of the plastic drain pipe. This will be the bottom cut. Now measure and mark the length of your PowerPipe along the drain stack starting from the bottom cut. This second marking will be the top cut. Using a hacksaw or a reciprocating saw, make cuts at the bottom cut and top cut markings. Ensure that your cuts are square to the drain stack. Remove this drain pipe section. At this point, it is important to remove any rough edges from the drain stack cuts. The PowerPipe works best with smooth, even joints between your drain stack and its inner drain pipe. Remove the steel bands from both drain connectors. Notice that the inside diameters of each end of the drain connectors are different to accommodate the smaller PowerPipe and the larger drain stack outer diameters. Slide one connector on the bottom cut of the drain stack and slide the second connector onto the top of the PowerPipe. Now insert the PowerPipe into the bottom coupling and then up into the upper cut in the drain stack. Put both steel bands back to their connectors and then tighten all connections. You are now halfway done. It's time to plumb your cold water supply. Locate your cold water supply pipe and cut into it after either the shutoff valve and before any tees, or cut after the water softener. It will be necessary to drain all water before final assembly can be made. To connect the freshwater lines, I recommend these push fittings. The Shark Bite brand works great. Connect the incoming water to the home, to the bottom fitting of the PowerPipe, and then connect from the top of the PowerPipe back to the cold water supply, feeding back to the home. It is extremely important to ensure that your cold water connections are done in the proper order. I should mention that you can divert and connect to the water heater only, or alternatively, divert and connect to the cold fixtures, but you'll have about 22% less energy savings. Sometimes it's necessary to go with one of these alternatives, depending on your home's layout. If you're cutting out a section of copper piping and using PEX piping, ensure that it is regrounded properly. Finally, turn on the main water valve, run your shower, and check your installation for leaks. Now is a great time to touch the bottom and top of your PowerPipe to feel the temperature rising up the unit. Energy savings doesn't get any better than this. Now you're ready to start saving money with your PowerPipe. Feel free to call us at 877-606-5559 should you have any questions.